So this is our family's first year of growing produce and we just harvested spaghetti squash. So I'm going to be showing you my mom's recipe for a very easy snack slash dessert. Alright, I had to take out my Chinese cleave for this. I'm a bit clumsy with it. So the first thing you gotta do is chop off the end, stand it up, and then slowly and very carefully cut away the skin. I believe some veggie peelers should be able to do this as well. Now you're going to deseed it. You can save that for roasting as well. So I'm just using about 1/3 of a spaghetti squash, but you can eyeball the size. That's what I like about this kind of recipes. You know, pretty much you go by the feeling and depending on how much you want to eat. So I'm just cutting lengthwise. You kind of have to rotate them a little bit to keep them as long as possible. One tip from my mom is to try to cut them as evenly as possible, which I did not do, but it is okay. If you are impatient like me, I will show you how to still make this work. So you're going to marinate it with a little bit of salt and sugar. As usual, all the amounts are in the description box. Wait around 5 minutes so that the salt can draw the moisture, and in the meantime we're going to take out our key ingredient, tapioca flour. This is what's going to give that very nice chewy texture. So you can see that the strands are all wet, and we're going to add in our first part of the tapioca flour. Give it a mix until it's all absorbed, and then add in the second batch. You want every strand to be coated in white powder like this. Now you're going to heat up a non-stick pan on medium heat and add in some oil. I'm using coconut oil. The key is to have one layer and squish it down as much as you can. Turn the heat down to low and you just wait. So that's the cool thing about this recipe. Pretty low maintenance, but you have to trust that it's going to work. When you can turn it like that, you can flip it over. You can use a plate to help you. You can see that the tapioca flour kind of becomes a glue of sort. Now we're going to sprinkle on some white sugar, as well as some black sesame seeds. And you're going to flip and wait another 10 minutes, and then repeat, and you are done. Not too sweet, chewy, just a delicious summer treat. I hope you like this recipe. See you next time.